Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge Costco haul for you. So I actually just got home. I got to get everything put away quickly, but I figured I would run through everything that I bought, kind of like our favorite staples. I probably go to Costco like twice a month, and these are the things that I constantly pick up and love every single time. So let's go through it. By the way, if you're new to my channel, this is my new channel that focuses on health and wellness. I'd love it if you subscribed. I put out new videos every single Monday, tons of meal prep videos, what I eat in a day, recipes, all the things, so make sure to check out my previous videos. Okay, so we just got home from vacation. We were at the beach for the week with my family, which was so nice, but I knew we would need to do like a huge restock when we got home. We were saying like we took the whole use up all your groceries before you go on vacation thing, like a little too serious, and we literally had nothing. So we're stocking up on everything. First, we got some coffee, we got some tangerine juice for the kids. I just kind of like water it down, but they love this like Costco tangerine juice. Okay, so last time I was at Costco, I actually picked this up and we haven't tried it yet. So it's the Kinder's organic marinade. It's the teriyaki one. So I was like, oh, I really want to use this up. So I got some chicken. I got just like a whole, it's kind of in a bag because like the Costco chicken leaks, but it's just like the organic chicken breast. I'll show you. I'm sure you guys have seen this before, so I'm gonna keep it in that bag because it leaks. But I'm gonna do that on the grill with this marinade. I think it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna do some rice, and then I got these frozen stir-fry veggies. So just kind of like an easy kind of meal prep thing. I'll meal prep like a bunch of it and we'll have it for dinner one night and then reheat it and eat it the next days. So another staple that I like to do for dinner from Costco is grab these chicken sausages. They're the chicken and apple ones from Adel's. My kids love these. I love these. It's like a really great, simple, easy dinner. So it comes with 3 packs. So you get 3 dinners out of this. So basically I'll just like chop these up, heat them up with some bell pepper, some onion, and some potatoes. You can do it on the skillet. You can do it in the oven. It's like the easiest dinner ever. It's super flavorful, but I don't know, my kids just like always want like seconds and thirds of this. It's just such an easy dinner for me and they love it. And I love it too. So this chicken sausage is great. It gets you 13 grams of protein and it tastes really good. You could also do these in the morning too. Oh, and then I also got this pineapple too. I'm actually gonna use this for that teriyaki bowl. I'm gonna like slice it up and grill this. I love grilled pineapple. I think it'll be really good. I love something sweet like that. So I think the teriyaki sauce with this, with the rice, everything is gonna be so good. So we'll cut that up once it's ready. And then one of our staple dinners is just either chicken or steak with potatoes and green beans. So we do that like once or twice a week. Green beans are like one of my favorite vegetables and they're one of my kids' favorite vegetables. So I just stick with it. I keep it simple with some garlic, some salt and pepper in the air fryer on the stove top. Super easy, really good. They heat up really well the next day too. And we've just been doing a ton of sweet potatoes lately. I feel like there's just a great healthy carb. They're super filling. My kids love it with like a little cinnamon and brown sugar on top. So I just usually throw these in the oven or the microwave and they're perfect. Okay, so last time I was at Costco, I grabbed this. It's just a bunch of bags of the Banza, like chickpea pasta. It's a high protein, gluten-free pasta. We all love this, so I knew I had some more to use up, so I kind of got some stuff to go along with that. I'll just do like a simple Rayo sauce. I'll probably do that one that I showed you guys in my What I Eat in a Day last week with the cottage cheese, but I got some ground turkey or some ground beef to do with that. These are just kind of like simple, easy things. I'll either throw it in pasta, throw it in like a taco salad or like a Greek bowl kind of thing. You can do so many things with ground turkey and ground beef. So I always grab them, keep one in the fridge and throw the other one in the freezer. All right, and then speaking of freezer, I actually got these for the kids a few weeks ago, the Just Bare, what are they? Lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. They're so good. Whenever I make them, they're like, wait, you went to Chick-fil-A? They think it tastes just like Chick-fil-A. And I kind of love these too. On like a day where I don't feel like cooking, I'll throw these in the air fryer with like a bag salad kit and a wrap. It's just like an easy on the go kind of lunch. You just heat it and go. So for breakfast, I got some organic free-range eggs and egg whites. I eat egg whites every single day. I absolutely love them, and like I have to have them now. They're so good. So I love the Costco ones, and then everybody else in my family loves regular eggs, and I do too. So I had to stock up on those. Costco's my favorite place to get egg whites because you can get so many at one time. And then I also got some smoked salmon. I love this on toast. I love it with just like capers on a bagel. I love it plain, so I keep this in the fridge. Just grab a slice. I try to have salmon every day to kind of get that that right balance of omega-3s and omega-6. So salmon, this is wild caught smoked salmon. And then this is kind of like my go-to salmon. I have showed you guys this in every single what I eat in a day so far on this channel. This is the wild caught pink salmon from Costco. It comes in cans. It tastes just like tuna, and I prepare it just like tuna. If you want to see how I do it, on both of my recent what I eat in a days, I've shown 2 different recipes and how I make them. So I pretty much use a full can and I split it up, and I have like one day and I save the other half for the next day. So I go through this really quickly, and a lot of times I like to scoop it and like eat it with carrots. So I grab some carrots too. So for bread, I'm making a loaf of sourdough. I actually have the oven turned on, but I also really love this Dave's Killer bread. This is my favorite bread to get in some fiber. It's got some great whole grains. I think it tastes really good. You guys know this is the bread that I love to use for my cottage cheese, like honey cinnamon toast. Oh, that just sounds so good right now. So again, I just eat one of these throughout the week, and I put the other one in the freezer for the next week. So this is my favorite place to get it, is at Costco. And then speaking of fiber, these tortillas also have a ton of fiber. I do believe it's like fortified, like added fiber, so don't go crazy on them, but I try to get in like 25, 30 grams of fiber a day, and like each little bit counts. So these wraps are really great. I'll use them a lot for lunch. And then another fiber favorite is oats. So I eat oats every single morning with my egg whites. I absolutely love oats. I've been really into like a dark chocolate peanut butter oats lately, but then I saw these at Costco and I remembered how much I love these because I was eating these every single day. The blueberry and the strawberry are like my favorite. They're kind of refreshing in the summer because they're cold, like overnight oats. They're just really good. So picked these up too. Okay, so Julian has a hankering for chocolate chip cookies, and I told him we would get the eggs and everything that we needed today. And this is the only thing of chocolate chips they had at Costco, so I think this will last us forever. It is 4.5 pounds, but I have those like big storage containers for everything in our pantry, so I think it'll be okay. But we're gonna be making a lot of chocolate chip cookies. I also got some butter for that too. This is my favorite butter. It's kind of like the Kerrygold butter, but it's the Costco version, grass-fed. It's so good on our sourdough with some flaky salt. That's like our favorite. Okay, and then cottage cheese. You guys know I love my cottage cheese toast. I make this just about every day. I love the Daisy one. It's low fat. It has 13 grams of protein. It just tastes so good. I've heard that they have the Good Culture one at some Costco's, but they don't at mine. So if I'm picking it up from Costco, I just get this one. And then this is my all-time favorite Greek yogurt. This also has a ton of protein, 18 grams. So good. I eat this just about every day too. I'll mix in like some protein powder and kind of give it like whatever flavor I want because it's plain. So it kind of tastes like sour cream almost. So that's why I like to add the protein powder to kind of give it whatever flavor I'm in the mood for. But this is just so creamy and light and refreshing. And it's just like my favorite Greek yogurt, so I love that. Okay, and then berries. I kind of go crazy with berries at Costco because I feel like they last quite a while. And I've just been really into blackberries lately. I think this is the one I actually got. I think they're the same brand. This Alpine Fresh one. These blackberries lately have just been so good. I will go through 2 of these a week. So I grabbed that. Raspberries, another great fiber staple. Like I said, I try to get in 25 grams of fiber a day. And that is hard because like I think this has like 1 or 2 grams. So you have to like slowly work your way up, but it has helped so much with my digestion and just helps with your overall health. There's just so many benefits to getting in your fiber naturally and not through a supplement. So I try to get fiber in through things like nuts and seeds, raspberries, avocado, whole grain breads. Love those raspberries. Blueberries, one of my favorites. I try to have this every single day. The kids had this every single day for antioxidants, brain health, immunity, all the things. So we have berries like all the time. These I discovered last year at Costco and they were back again, the Sun Gold kiwis. They are so much better than regular kiwis and they're just like sweet and juicy and like such a great summer fruit. So I picked up some of those. We kind of got a lot of fruit because we go through a lot of it, and I do find that the Costco fruit, for some reason, it just lasts a little bit longer than other grocery stores. I don't think anything I got today was organic, but I try to get organic when I can, and if I can't, I just try to stick to Whole Foods. So I got the strawberries. I did get organic bananas. I love these on my oats in the morning. I love these as like a pre or post workout with some peanut butter. So good. I like will do a little dessert sometimes where I'll cut them up and do like some dark chocolate, some peanut butter and some peanuts and freeze them. So good. My kids and I all love mangoes, so I got a ton of mangoes, and they were doing free samples of apples, and the kids were like, yeah, you gotta get those apples. So I got the apples. My kids love these. I think they're okay. Sweet potato chips. They basically just taste like sweet potato, which is fine, but I feel like we eat sweet potatoes so much for dinner that I don't want it also as my snack, but they love them. I feel like they're a healthier alternative to chips. They're super crunchy, they're light, they're salty, they're really good. They taste so much like a sweet potato that it weirds me out. Okay, and then this is my other favorite that I love to get at Costco. You can get this at any grocery store. I just go through a lot of it. So I get the big bag at Costco. This is PB2. It's basically, it's just peanut butter, but it's not as high fat, and I think it's so delicious. So I mix this with water, and I kind of make it like extra liquidy, almost like a sauce, and I pour it on top of my oats, and it is so good. You could also throw it in a smoothie. So that is everything we got at Costco. This will last us a few weeks. We got a lot of great dinners, great lunches, breakfast, snacks. We've literally got everything we need. So I'm thinking if you guys want, let me know. I can do a what I eat in a day that's kind of like featuring all the things that I bought at Costco so you can see how I use them in recipes and stuff. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and share all those like dinner ideas over on stories so you guys can see that. I do have a little highlight bubble called meal prep, where basically anytime I meal prep something, I save the recipe, save the idea, save it all in there. So check that out. I have a lot of like helpful highlight bubbles on my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. I will post another video on Monday. If you have any requests or anything you'd like to see, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. Or if you have any Costco favorites that I missed or that your Costco has that I need to know about that maybe I can look at mine next time, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting. I'm so glad that you're enjoying this new channel. I've had so much fun like making these videos every week, so I'm so appreciative of your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.